Managing trading programs and transactions is simple using Enable. By going into your trading partner's tile, you can manage all trading programs, share transaction data, and view any activity, all between you and this trading partner. Let's first see where you can access the trading programs you have with a company. Here you'll find a list of all programs that have been shared with you by your trading partner. By clicking on one of these, you'll be able to access the PDF agreement, along with the details, any supporting documents, any activity, like when the program was last updated, and you can also raise and discuss queries in the Comments tab. A handy way of seeing who else has access to this agreement is by hovering over the user tiles. Once you are happy with the agreement, all that's left to do is approve it at the top here, where you'll need to confirm the declaration, at which point Enable will automatically inform your trading partners that the program has been signed off. Next up, let's go back and take a look at how you can import your transactions. Uploading your transaction data is easy in Enable, and you can do this in a few simple steps. First, you'll need to download the template, which is pre-populated with the required headings. Once you've filled in your data, you can just drag your file into here or browse your local file storage to find the file to be imported. A helpful validation step is provided, which gives you a summary of the data you are importing, like the value, the number of transactions, if you have any data that doesn't match your trading partner's data, and a date range of the file. If you already have data within the date range, you'll be asked whether you want to keep this or overwrite it. If not, you can just proceed to the next stage. Finally, before confirming, you'll get a full review of the data, so you can do a sense check before hitting submit. In some cases, this file might need approving by the company you are sending it to before it can be confirmed. You'll have full visibility of the transactions you have imported on the dashboard, where there's a monthly summary, a log of transactions with import statuses, and a link to find all the master data, like the product codes, that you'll need for your files. So that's it for a quick intro to managing trading programs and transactions in Enable. Thanks for watching and good luck!